Hey, what's going on, family? I'm back at you to talk to you again. Now, let me say this. May what I have to say come out with understanding. I also pray and ask the universe that you develop wisdom, discernment, guidance, and once again, understanding to what I'm saying. Because this applies to all. Veteran, rookie, beginner, whatever you qualify yourself as. So if I miss some points that you know about a little bit more than me, then so be it. Leave a message in the description. I'll team up with anybody. It don't matter to me. As long as you got a righteous mind, you're trying to go about this the righteous way. But my point in making this video is a lot of people feel, from what I'm hearing and seeing, that they don't know how to get into stocks. They don't know how to get into this market, which is not biased. It's open to everybody. The only thing that matters in this market is the color of green. You understand what I'm saying? And you can get in it and teach me something. I'm always open and willing to learn. Let's get that clarified as number one. I don't know everything. Number two, I am not a financial advisor. I'm only doing this on this channel right here to show more people that if I did it, I know you can do it. And I'm continuously doing it, and I'm continuously learning. I learn all the time. I stay reading. One of my books I read is Learning Stock for Dummies. You know what I'm saying? It's those little bitty yellow books, and I know they sound a little crazy with that title, but hey, if you're not smart to something, you dumb to it. So take it for what it's worth. But check this out right here. I want y'all to have an understanding. And this video right here is based around ETFs, electronic traded funds. I want to say that again. Electronic traded funds. You dig it? So if you don't know how to pick stocks, if you're not good at educating yourself on what's the next best stock, because to me, it's an educated guess, and it's all on information. Reading the news, all this stuff really is based on, let's say, needs and not needs, if I'm saying that correctly. Let's say it's driven sometimes on emotions and fear. You know what I mean? So, but you can find your niche, you can learn these trends, you can get in, and you can make some pretty decent money. Like I said, making money in the stock market is not biased to nobody. That Wall Street is a beast. But check this out. Check out what I'm about to tell you. Exchange traded fund ETFs are investment that funds that trade or stock exchange. Similar to individual stocks, they typically hold a diversified portfolio of assets, such as stocks, bonds, or commodities. ETFs provide investors with an exposure to a specific market, index, or sector to diversify their investments. Unlike mutual funds, ETFs can be bought and sold throughout the trading day of market prices. It's a basket of stocks in whatever sector you choose to go into, providing liquidity and flexibility to investors. Now, let me say this again. The stock market is not biased. It don't care what color you is. You know what I mean? It's not hard to educate yourself on this. There are plenty of books out there. Matter of fact, I wanted to know it so bad. I never took a class or none of that type of stuff. I just started reading books. And like, this really common sense. But some of the terms that's inside the stock market that you hear, maybe gurus or considered to be people that's been doing this for a long time and have made plenty of money, or people that's just starting, some of the terms you hear, you're not going to understand. It's like talking to a doctor. He can say certain parts of your body that's been in your body since you've been here, and you won't know what the hell he's talking about. But the terms are simple once you start reading about it. You're like, why they just don't say this, or why they just don't say that? Well, a lot of these terminologies throw people off and keep you dumb. But if you start reading, educate yourself, it's simple stuff. You got a $1,000 phone in your hand. You walking around with a computer in your hand. You got plenty of platforms that you can sign up that won't cost you nothing to sign up. It don't cost you to sign up. You got platforms I'm gonna throw off the head. Robinhood investing as a platform. Webull investing as a platform. I'm gonna link some of them in this description right here. So just click on them. And remind you this: when you click on these, and if you sign up using my link, or once you sign up using your link, anybody that click on, y'all both get a free share of stock or whatever they had to offer for just signing up. So you can use that to start investing. Some give you free stock, some give you cash. You know what I'm saying? Just read whatever the platform is, and it verifies from month to month. It all changes. So there was no excuses. If you're gonna make these companies rich, like companies that you buy already, if you look into your closet, if you look into your refrigerator, if you look around your home, look around your apartment, look at the type of car you in. All these are commodities. They're things that you can invest into. So if you buying these things, why not invest into them and earn as they earn? And one of my strategies is, and once again I'm gonna say this, I'm not a financial advisor, but one of my strategies is, if I like it, I know somebody else like it. Let me learn how this company is making money. Let me see how I can put my money in these companies and my money grow as well as their money growing. And ETFs is a real good way to get in. If you're not good at picking stocks, like you're not no person to go out there and say, well, let me buy Apple stock, or let me buy Nike stock, or let me buy Ralph Lauren stock, or let me buy Kellogg's. I'm just thinking of things that I got stocks in. Not telling you to purchase that. You know what I'm saying? Let me see how these companies are making their money, because they standing strong. Home Depot, Walmart, all these companies are standing strong. Let me see how exactly are they making their money. That would make me say, let me go research the company. Let me go to Google first, find out who this company CEO is. Let me find out how many employees they got. Price and earnings. You're gonna hear that a lot in the stock market. You're gonna hear that a lot. Price and earnings. Let me see what their price is versus what they're earning. Let me see what their debt ratio is, how much they got loaned out, how much credit they got out. You know what I mean? Let me see what they plan on doing this month versus what they did last month, or last year, or last week, or last hour. It's just that simple. It's nothing but knowledge. And trust this here, the more you read and the more you start tuning into these channels like CNBC, Yahoo Finance, Bloomberg, you know what I mean? They give you all this basic information, and some of them have those subscription-based services where you can get tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 type information. You dig what I'm saying? But me, first off and firsthand, once I read something, me personally, I'm not saying don't pay for some of these subscriptions, because some of them do give you information a little quicker than the rest. I'm a reader. I'm gonna go research. I'm gonna get a book about it. I go to YouTube like everybody else do, but I'm gonna do my own research. I'm not just gonna go by what somebody's telling you. That's why I'm telling you, I'm not no guru in this. You know what I mean? As you can see, I'm working right now. I'm in my truck. But the way the economy is and the way things are, period, if you want to come up out of a rut, you got to take a chance. Now, we got income tax check time coming up. I know you got debt that you want to get out of. You've been had it before you got your income tax check. There's nothing wrong with paying a little something on your debt. You know what I'm saying? Doing a little investing, but put you a plan together, and never buy nothing that you can't, never not buy. Let me say, never spend nothing that you can't afford to lose. So tackle down what you've been doing with your money from paycheck to paycheck. You know what I'm saying? From paycheck to paycheck, right? Make you a list. Make a list saying what you need and what you want. You know what I'm saying? And start writing down every time you spend your money. So all the unnecessary stuff that you spend your money on that you want, eliminate that and start using that to invest. You spending it anyway. Keep working on your needs. Keep taking care of your needs. But eliminate some of your wants and start going into some of these chance takers. Chance taking. You know what I mean? Open the wings up and jump off and fly. That's how you got that job you on. That's how you got that car you sitting in. You took a chance. Even though it had a note on it, you said, I'm gonna work it, I'm gonna make sure I pay this note. Take a chance with investing. You invest in yourself. That's all I'm saying. I'm no better than nobody else. And like I say, anybody that's sitting here listening to my video, leave me some in the description if you know you can help me. You know what I mean? I'm just tired of hearing people say they can't do it. Can't is a handicap. You can't. What you mean? You got enough belief to know that you're gonna wake up tomorrow not knowing that the creator of the good Lord gonna wake you up. Have enough belief in yourself. We do that all the time. We think life is just that free and precious that when we go to sleep, we plan for the next day. Come on. You don't know if you're gonna wake up, but you got enough faith to make plans for the next day. Have enough faith in yourself to invest. It's not that hard once you learn. It becomes smooth sailing. And I'm telling you this because ain't nothing like having 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 incomes. And you never know, when you diversify yourself like that with these different portfolios of ETF stocks and bonds and things of that nature, you never know which one is going to blow. And my suggestion is make your little chart. Do your own little chart. Don't just rely on your phone. Right now, I bought this today at this price. You can set limiters. Once it reaches this price, I want to sell it, or I'll sell some and keep some, because what goes up comes down. You just got to learn them trends on how it works. And crypto, oh my goodness, I ain't gonna even think about that. I ain't gonna even forget. Subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna get on the crypto, because crypto, it don't stop. Like stocks got a certain time to start. The market open up off here, I'm thinking like 9 a.m. in the morning Eastern time, and it shut down at 4 p.m. Eastern time. And then they have market orders and limit orders. Those are stock terms. Pre-market buys, meaning you can, pre-buy something before the market open up. So I'm not gonna get too technical with it, and I'm not gonna do too much editing on this video. My mistakes might come up because I look at some of the things I said, I'm like, okay, I could have said that better. That would keep me doing my videos. And I got a lot of people reaching out to me, so I appreciate everybody that's reaching out to me because they give me the motivation to keep on going and keep on talking and keep on telling y'all what I know. And that's the only thing I can do is tell you what I know and what I done got to. So I will start making notes of some of these videos because I free flow them. You know what I mean? When it hit me, I free flow them. But I've been saying I'm gonna put this video out about the ETFs. Just do that. If you don't do nothing else, go to Google and say, what is the ETF? Go to ChatGPT. A lot of people don't even know that about ChatGPT. It can give you definitions behind a lot of things you don't know. You know what I mean? Get the PDF books. Go to your bookstores. Barnes & Noble is in my area, so the employees know me in there. You know what I'm saying? From the new ones to the ones that been in there. When I go in, I greet, because I have to ask. I go to some section to find these books, and then I go to the counter. Hey, they say y'all got this book in here. I looked it up. Okay, that book is out. Somebody bought it or it's on order or something like that. But either way it go, if you read, it will be more understanding to you. You don't just have to go off what people say. I'm just giving you that push. It's the beginning of the year. By the end of the year, you will not know where you'll be if you start investing. If it's your dream to open up your own business, this right here can kick you off. Because growth happens sometimes overnight. We call them miracles now. I call them effort. Peace, a great one, and I'm out. Just wanted to put that out there right there. Anybody want to reach out to the boy, leave me a message in the description, and we'll go from there. Stay blessed, 100. Happy New Year's to everybody once again. Peace.